Guys, do you know how to fix a controller that's having a seizure in the X button? Or do you know how to fix a controller that's having a violent seizure on the X for Nintendo Switch 1? Look, watch when I click home button. Oh no, here goes the seizure buttons. This button is the button that's causing it to click out to like do that. Which I don't like it. I don't wanna close it. Yeah, but you don't know how to fix it. Bye bye. Look guys, look, watch. I turned it off. Look. Look, watch. No game in here, no game cartridge in there. Yes, no game cartridge in there. Turn it off. It's now off. Alright, turn it back on. And okay, I will close it. But yeah, it will not work. Like literally don't work.
Mama, mind the fire. Mind the fire.
That button turns, that button closes out. I can't do this.
Towards the back.
Makes me do that.
You gotta quit throwing it, baby. I know.
Nothing in the game cartridge. So you can turn it on. Right? Not doing it. It's not doing it no more. Alright, I did this. Still doing it. And then I close it out. I go to here. That makes it vibrate. Look, I'll even unplug this. Still does not do it. Look, I go to here. Yeah, it's doing it again. Turn it off. Turn it back on again. Alright, do that again. And, nope.
Boy.
Oh. Wait, it fixed it. Oh, it fixed it.